the pendulum exercise to calm down a painful shoulder. You're gonna go to the kitchen counter, a table, anything like that. Make sure you have good support. You're going to support yourself with the other arm. Get your knees spread out and protect your back, right? So this is gonna hurt your back. Sit up nice and tall. And then we want the arm to be as passive as possible. So just like a pendulum, you're gonna start moving your body and then your hand's gonna move. Not because your arm moves back and forth or side to side, right? It's because your body's moving and then your arms follows. And then I don't have to really move very much. So we can do forward, backward. I can then move my body side to side and let that go side to side. I can move my body in a circle and the arm can go in a circle. But the idea is that your arm is totally relaxing and totally passive. Your back is nice and steady and you really are moving with your legs. So this is one exercise that a lot of people make the mistake to move and a lot of people get it wrong. So I don't often like to give this one out unless they know for sure that their shoulder can be calmed down. So any questions, let me know. fluidphysio.com.